Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, like 5 or 10 or whatever. We only using one because you're not going to jump in with like multiple accounts right away. You got to kind of see that it works first before you kind of do that, right? So anyway, guys, that's what we're going to do. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Links in the description below. Let's get started. Okay, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. Now, the essential reason why I like promoting it is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% commissions, 80% recurring commissions, guys. That means you get paid every month. And it's two products. One is the $25 business, which is $25. You get $20 of that if you get a sale. And the other one is the HBA Premium, which is a ton of training on how to promote the product. You know what I mean? Which is $125, but you get $100 every month for selling it, right? And the genius thing about it is that you get that for 2 weeks for free, so you can get to making money, right away when you learn how to do the system there. And you can get to getting people in the system. So that's what you can do. All right, guys, and save a lot of money and stuff. But anyway, let's look at our results and see what they're going to. We're gonna refresh the page because don't believe results unless unless the page has been refreshed. Don't believe them otherwise. All right. Alright, guys, I did not get a sale yesterday. It's totally fine, man. I'm still bugging out over this $400 sale, guys. So I'm not really tripping on not getting sales in the last few days. Yeah, that's about all there is to say about that, guys. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this, right? So anyway, guys, first off, they're gonna be a link in the description that says $25 business or something there, something similar or something like that, right? What you want to do, you want to click on that, and once you click on that, it should take you to this page here. This page here talks about the $25 business all in one, tell you about what it does, what it's about, all that good stuff, right? Talk about how much money you can make. You get a sale a week, you can get up to $100,000 income once you do that. That's what both products. When you get a seller per week and they buy both products, all right. You can get up to $100,000 a year, which is fantastic. And y'all don't understand. This is a lot. You can make a lot of money with minimum effort with this product. That's why I chose this. This is the best product to promote online. Period. Right now, it's very lucrative. It's a make money niche that everybody is interested in. Everybody's interested in making more money. All right, guys. It's huge. It's a huge niche. So, yeah, man, you click on yes, I want in, right? Yes, I want in. Once you do that, you'll get a video telling you about the system, making sure you understand what you're purchasing. And after that, you put in your information on what you want, If you want to try the premium for free for 2 weeks or not, all that good stuff, and you get the product, right? There's a bunch of videos explaining exactly what I'm saying here. I'm just gonna do a short version of them videos, alright, guys? So once you sign in, do all that stuff, right, and bought the product and all that good shit, so you go over here, you're gonna get to a page that looks something similar to this, alright, guys? It'll look something similar to this. So you want to log in, you want to go to affiliate zone. You want to go to the affiliate zone. Once you go to affiliate zone, you want to click on sign up for affiliate program here. All right, guys, you're going to sign up, do all the stuff to sign up. It's a very simple, easy process. You don't got to do too much. And once you do that, you're going to get to this page. It's going to give you this page here, guys. You're going to go to this page here. This is the page where you get all your affiliate links at and where you're going to get paid at, all that good stuff. Okay? Once you set up your payment stuff. It got a bunch of videos explaining how to set up your payments and all that stuff. But anyway, guys, once you do all that, right, this is the link that you want to use here, the all-in-one $25 business, okay? That's the link you want to use to promote. if you want to promote the 80% recurring income. All right, guys. Anyway, you want to go over to My Lead Gen Secrets. You want to sign in. There's a link in the description for My Lead Gen Secrets as well. That's step 2. Should be step 2 down there. Click on that. It'll take you to a page. I'm not entirely sure what the pages look like, but at the end of the day, sign in, right? Get an account. It's the same thing. It'll probably look a little different, but it's the same thing. And you can sign in and all that good stuff. Get you an account. So once you do that, guys, you'll get to a page look something similar to this. Oh, by the way, do not purchase the master email swipes. You don't need them. Okay, guys, you don't need them. I'm gonna show you my emails, and plus I'm gonna show you another way to get infinite emails. All right, guys. So anyway, we're gonna click on that. We're gonna click on select all. I'm gonna select all, get all your links there. You probably only have 100 links at first, but eventually it'll grow. And then what you want to do is click on well, you want to put in an email. I'm just gonna go use one of my previous emails, but let me show you here. Let me show you here an email that you can get right quick. So yeah, just put subject and all that. If you want to copy it, let me make sure you can copy it first. So you see it right there, right? All right, so it will go down to the email here. Just pause the video for this, by the way. Just pause the video. I'm gonna show the whole email here. All right. Boom, that's it. That's the whole email. All right, guys. We can just pause that and stuff and all that. But if you want to get an email real quick, if you signed in to HBA and you did get the free premium here, if you got that right, you got the premium with it as well, the 2 weeks for free. Okay, guys, click on it, right? And then you want to go to something called the Immersion Magic Content Machine. This thing will create any kind of content that you need. All right, so we're gonna say something simple like write an email, exaggerated. Let's put write a quick bait super exaggerated. I'm sorry, guys, I can't type. Email, right? About the 25 all in one. 25 digital business. I think this, you know what? This is what you want. You want to pick, okay, write a clickbait and exaggerated email about how much money you can make. Yeah. Yeah, how much money you can make with the all-in-one $25 business. So yeah, you want to put that in, something like that, something similar. And remember now, you can use this for anything. Facebook posts, Instagram posts, Pinterest posts, TikTok, whatever you're gonna do to try to promote the product here, guys. We only using one method. I'm showing you one method here. I'm just showing you one method here. But you can use it, you can use this information for all kinds of stuff. So anyway, it don't wrote us an email here. You see that? Very quick and easy. Let's talk about it real quick. Attention all entrepreneurs, make millions with just $25. Have you ever dreamed making millions with a single investment? Now you can with $25 and blah blah, make money fast. Best part only costs $25. You get access to tools, master profit, cutting their website, top-notch marketing tools, and power making money engine. It talks about the product. It knows about the product, what it is, and all that good stuff. You can just type that in, guys, and you can just refresh it and just keep refreshing and stuff, and it'll keep writing emails for you. You know what I mean? Just spin it around, make it look a little different, or whatever you want it to do. All right, guys. So it's very easy to get emails collected through these methods. You know what I mean? So that's all you have to do. So you don't need master emails. You don't need to worry about emails at all. This get you emails real quick. See, here's another email just that fast. The same thing here. You just hit go immersion and pop up another email about it. It'll say the same way. It's different though. See, this one say, hey, are you looking for a way to make serious money in just days? Are you ready to start taking control of your financial future? Then look no further. We got our perfect solution. The amazing $25 all-in-one digital business. We come here on some business models and blah 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 blah. Best part, you can start making real money almost immediately. So it's yeah, you could do this over and over again, get a ton of emails, and like you can just load this up, get about 20, and then you can start rotating them. That's what's been working for me. If you don't want to keep constantly trying to find emails, if you don't want to, but yeah, that works for me, guys, and I think it'll work for you guys. You know what I mean? So that's all it is I want to say. Send an email. That's all it is, really. You hit preview, make sure your link works. Perfect timing. Send emails around the time people check emails, so it's a better chance of them checking your email. And that's all it is to it, guys. It's very simple, very easy to understand, and very uncomplicated, honestly. There's a video for every step. There's a video for every single thing. It shows you everything. There's nothing to worry about. And yeah, guys, it's been working for me, and I just want to show you guys that it could be working for you. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, like I stated before, you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. You make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.